Let's make a simple list with currency names repeated multiple times. Let's find out how many dollar we have. We will use count function. Let's find out how many times each word appears in the list. We will import the counter class from Python's built-in collections library. Counter helps us count how many times each item appears in a list. The result looks like a dictionary with keys and values. The key is the currency name, and the value shows how many times it appears in the list. If we want to remove duplicates from a list and keep only unique values, we can use a set. A set starts and ends with curly brackets, just like a dictionary. But it's not a dictionary because a set does not have keys or values. It only stores unique elements. We can convert a set to list as well. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.